All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What is going on today?
I'm skydiving.
Skydiving? What are you going skydiving for?
Cause she made me ever since she told me when I was little. She's been training me for it.
Oh, this was her idea?
Yep.
All right, so if anything goes wrong, we know exactly who to point the finger at, right?
Sure.
Ain't nothing gonna go wrong. You guys look fabulous. You look ready to rock and roll. We ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Here we go. Woo-hoo! Yay! Paparazzi shot! Woo! High five! Yeah! Woo! Up. Full flight. If you want to go left, pull it to your body. There you go. All the way up. All the way up. And then we'll want to slow down like we're going to land. Get down and hold.
Okay.
There you go. All right, go up. You got a good grip, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're flying. Yeah! Woo! Right turn, right turn. There you go.
I see the road.
Woo-hoo!
Woo!
All the way up. Hold that position for me. Guess what?
I landed.
You went skydiving.
I did
You
it.
were so scared. How was it?
As soon as I was out of the plane, I wasn't scared. Right about to jump, I was good. I wasn't scared.
What was your
ready.
favorite part?
When I was like doing the parachute.
Flying the canopy. Canopy's my favorite part
That's when I
too.
was spinning it,
You
yeah.
did absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
We
for
did
jumping
it.
with us. Yeah, Skydive Colorado Springs. What's up? You were. Yeah.